Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you another great using our time and temp chart that we've had made for you that you can just very easily add to your fridge thanks to the magnetic strip. So it's made up into different chapters, and one of the chapters that we all love for air fry food is breakfast. So what I wanted to do was to actually show you how you could use this time and temperature chart to do yourself some sausage butties, sausage sandwiches, or whatever else you want to call them. So I've got the air fryer time and temp chart here. And then it's got a double page dedicated to breakfast. So let me just show you here. So as you can see, that is the breakfast section. And if you look a bit closer, what you can see here is the part baked bread rolls, which are of course these ones. I've got a pack here from Tesco's. And then what you'll notice is if you go a little bit further down, Chipolatas sausages are also there. So I've got some of these from Tesco's as well. So we're going to use those time and temps as our quick guide to be able to make ourselves some quick sausage butties. So looking more closely at it, it says for the part baked rolls, 6 minutes at 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then for the sausages, 180 Celsius again, but for 8 minutes. So the sausages need 8 minutes, the part baked baguettes need 6 minutes. So what we can do is I'm going to do this using my dual air fryer. And what we can do is we can do the sync facility, and then we can have them both going in at the same time, and then they'll all be ready together. And of course, if you don't have a copy yet of our complete air fryer cooking guide, please do, because it's brilliant for learning the time and temperatures and then quickly having food on the go, because it's such time consuming sometimes Googling each time when you just sat there in the kitchen and you just want to know how long to cook your type of sausages for, or your bread rolls and things like that. So it's just a great option. So that is the first drawer, and I'm going to put the sausages in this one. So open up your pack of sausages and then add them in. When you're doing sausages in the dual, I recommend you put them in like this, and then they can easily fit in. So if you look, that's one batch of sausages in there. So we can close that drawer for now. And then we can do the other drawer. And then I find the easiest way to get into some part baked bread rolls is to use a knife, or you can use a pair of scissors if you prefer. And these are just the little cute ones. Get them from anywhere. I also really like the ones from Aldi as well. So if you're looking for a cheaper option, you can use Aldi's. And then, nope, can't quite fit a full pack in, but I can get 5 of them in there, which it's only me and the hubby, so we're not going to eat that many, but I just wanted to demonstrate how you can put them all in the air fryer. So now we've got sausages in one drawer, we've got bread in the other, so let's sync it all together using the time and temperature charts. So if you remember, we're going with the sausages first. I'm making sure I press sync. So for the sausages, remember both things are at 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And the sausages are for 8 minutes. And then let's set drawer 2, shall we? So that is for the bread rolls. So we're going with air fry mode again. And then same temperature again, which is 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then we're setting the time to 6 minutes. And then we're ready to press start, because we've got 8 minutes set for the sausages and we've got 6 minutes set for the bread rolls. And then press start. And now what it's going to do is it's going to put a hold on the bread rolls until the sausages have matched the time. So basically the sausages have got 2 more minutes, so in 2 minutes it'll start cooking the bread rolls, and then everything will be ready together. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped! I mean, oh, isn't that amazing to say that it's that simple just to cook some part-baked bread rolls and some sausages in the air fryer together. And of course, if you are using an air fryer basket, then what you can do is you can place sausages in one side, bread buns in the other, and then give the sausages a 2-minute head start before you add in the bread. So it's just as simple to do it the basket way as well. Now let's check on them and see what they look like. And wow, look at that, sausages and bread rolls together in the air fryer. And your knowledge has come from this beauty here, which I'm just so impressed about. I actually pitched it in the middle of making our second cookbook, and it has a mixture of times. They're all based around the most popular cooking times for the air fryer. But what we've done is we've used quite a few of the cooking times from book 1, book 2, as well as other ones that aren't in the books but you've asked for. So it's a nice mixture. And another story for you, when we were actually making the second cookbook, we were doing a recipe for a vegan version of the meatball sub. And I remember the food stylist looked on the packaging of it and said they can't possibly be done in this cook time because the oven instructions on them says, I think it was 12 or 13 minutes, including a preheat. And because she's not much of an air fryer user, it hasn't clicked yet that of how much quicker the air fryer is. So can you believe you can do baked bread rolls in 6 minutes? Because they're almost cooked, you're just warming them through and they're just brilliant. So what you can do is you can grab a few out and then use them to make some sausage butty. And now here's another interesting point. We all like sausages to different level of doneness. These sausages here are perfectly cooked sausages using the air fryer. Obviously they're the skinnier sausages, so they don't take as long to cook. For example, from memory, I know these were 8 minutes, and I know that generally speaking the thicker pork sausages is 10 to 12 minutes depending on how brown you like them. So if that's not good enough for you and you want them browner, then that's no problem at all. Give the air fryer a shake, put the sausages back on, and then what we can do is we can just set one air fryer here, and we can do the temperature all the way up to 210 Celsius, and then cook time to an extra 2 minutes, and then we can just add a little bit extra brownness whilst we're preparing our bread rolls, and then press start. So now over here, this is what the bread rolls look like. I mean, don't these look fantastic? I mean, they never look this good when they're in the oven, and I just love the goldenness you get when you use things in the air fryer. I mean, look at that, that dough's perfect in the middle. So while the air fryer's back on, chop into them. And these are lovely and cute, and they're perfect for just that quick sausage butty using the air fryer. So if you think, if you do want your sausages on for longer, by the time your sausages are finished, it'll take you that long, if not longer, just to do your bread. And I can't believe it's not butter. You probably have your own favourite as well, so you can do the same. And then give them a quick butter in. I mean, oh wow, that is just brilliant. If you're just having some soup in your Instant Pot and you want some bread to go with it, these are just lovely. And you can do the big baguettes as well. You can do the vegan ones. You can do whichever ones you want. They're just always so nice using the air fryer. Oh, and I've timed it well because there's about 30 seconds left. Oh, forgotten to chop this last one. So let's get that one open as well. And then the last one. Just got 20 seconds left on the air fryer. So then put that to one side and then wait on your air fryer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we've beeped. I mean, oh, I can't wait. Look at those sausages. I've got a little bit more colour to them, so it totally depends on how you like them. They look fantastic. And then sausage in you go, and you're sorted. Or, and I squeeze 2 in. Following our time and temp guide, it's just absolutely perfect. And I just love it as something simple that you can do in the air fryer. And of course, it's not just me here at Recipe This. I've also got the lovely husband Dom behind the camera. So I'm doing the wifey thing and passing it behind the camera so that he's got a sausage butty to keep him going for a bit. And these are also great for hangover food as well. Something nice to have on Boxing Day, Christmas Day morning is when we normally have them. Or just if the kids are home from school, you got some spare sausages in. And then of course, don't forget to grab yourself a copy of our air fryer time and temps guide. It's available on Amazon, or also if you go to recipethis.com, it's on the top of our site there, and you can find more information to be able to quickly find out the time and temps to your favourite air fryer food. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.